real estate prices, but they may be coming back down to earth. Let's bring in Yahoo Finance housing reporter Rebecca Chen, who's here with a closer look. And Rebecca, we've talked a lot about the struggles in the Bay Area, especially as tech companies go for more remote work. What are you seeing in the market there?
Based on the data that we saw with San Francisco market, the average price has come down 23% in just 9 months. In median price homes in San Francisco, it was about $1.5 million. It's about $1.5 million right now, whereas last year it reached $2 million. So although neither of these numbers are low, in fact, they are 4 times higher than the national average, they are coming down in a very short amount of time. And we're also seeing similar decline in other cities in the Bay Area. Santa Clara, which is the Silicon Valley and where a lot of tech headquarters are at, prices dropped 15% in just a couple of months within this year, and we are seeing decline in other places as well.
Rebecca, when we talk about that big of a decline, that's really bucking the trend that we're seeing in a lot of major cities here nationwide. What are the biggest factors contributing to that?
So the high interest rate that is cooling the market across the nation is one. But there are some elements that are very specific to the San Francisco area. Along with the tech layoff, unemployment has ticked up to 3.1% this year. And IPO has really fallen in the market. They're not as generous as before. So employees are not getting the stock comp like they used to. And the VC money for startups has also dried up. The city also has a net bound out migration where people who have the option to work from home are choosing to work in the city that's a lot less expensive. So the experts that we have been chatting with said that with the strength of the wealth in the tech ecosystem, people are just not aggressive when it comes to buying homes.
And it's always tough to call the bottom in the market, especially in the housing market right now. But can we expect anything different for the spring buying season?
It is a little bit difficult to tell for the moment. After all, this is the city that made a huge comeback after the 2000 dot-com bust. And a lot of people we've spoken with say San Francisco is still a great place to live. It has a lot of creativity, a lot of company, and people and culture. So the city will always be very popular. And given the many tech companies reported a positive, better than expected earning last week, we're really not sure where it will go next, but we're keeping the tab.
All right, Rebecca Chen, great reporting. Thanks so much for joining us here.